Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's an exciting day because I finally got my camera, and so this is my first video I'm gonna do with my camera. I'm just gonna come on here and do a look with using 3 eyeliners, a cat eye winged eyeliner look. This was requested by one of my subscribers, so let's get into it. The 3 eyeliner looks I'm gonna use is my Ulta Liquid Matte Liner. I can get into focus. Can't get it. Oh, there it goes. My Wet n Wild Felt Tip Eyeliner and my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil Eyeliner. Okay, so the first one I'm going to use on my eye. I'm sorry, I got some really weird breakouts going on here. I don't know what happened, but life happens and breakouts happen, so let's get into this. I'm just going to show you how I do a cat eye winged eyeliner. So first I'm going to take my liner and I'm going to start from the back of my eye and just kind of just draw on the bottom lid, the eyelid, like the thin liner, because I think you can have more control with a thin liner. And I think the Ulta Matte liner is really good for this too. Okay, so how I'm going to do the winged look is I draw it out. You draw it out like this, and then you pull it back. And then depending on how big you want it, you can pull the line out further back or you can make it really small. And just like with anything else, you just have to practice. The more you practice, the better your winged liner will become. So I'm just drawing on the liner. Then I'm going to draw the tail. And I'm going to pull back. You draw it up like this. Then you pull it back. That's look number 1. Now we're going to do look number 2. Okay, so for my look number 2, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Felt Tip Liner. So this is just a different kind of tip. So I'm going to do the same process that I did just now. Just line your eyes like you normally would. And still drag it out like I did before. So drag it out and then pull it back. So drag it out, pull it back. I'm gonna do the other one off camera so then I can get this going. So here is my other look, my look number 2 with the Wet n Wild Felt Tip Liner. I think this one's a little bit harder to use, but my favorite is still the first one that I used. So let's do look number 3. And for the last look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On. This is my favorite eye pencil from Urban Decay, let alone my favorite eye pencil period. So just like we were doing before, I'm just gonna line the eyes like I normally would. Then I'm going to flick it back. Okay, so I sharpened it a little bit just to make the point a little bit pointier. There it goes. And this one I'll do on camera just to show the difference between the liquid eyeliner and an eye pencil. I have to clean up the corners a little bit because I don't like it how thick it's going. And to clean it up, you could take a little bit of concealer and clean up your winged look. That's just what I'm gonna do. And there we have it. That concludes 3 looks using 3 different liners. So if you haven't, please like and subscribe to this channel. Ring my bell, and I hope to see you guys real soon. So I will see you guys later. Bye, everybody.